how to link FiveM to Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can link FiveM to Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to link FiveM to Discord, all you have to do is go ahead and open the Discord application here. Once you launch the Discord app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here, and then first of all just go to this option called authorized apps and check if FiveM is located, because if you see FiveM over here, it means that your FiveM is already connected to Discord. If it isn't connected, go to the option known as connections. When you go to connections, look for the add button from the top right hand side and tap on it, and here you should be able to select FiveM, and then after that log into your FiveM account and they will get successfully linked. This way you can link FiveM to Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.